We're in Belle Alton, Maryland. Apehangers Bar and Grill out on 301. A little cars and coffee on Saturday. I'm John. This is Adwater Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Let's take a look at some of these cars. Look at that. Looks like a Dodge. Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. Nice looking car. Got a Hemi in it. Look at that. Probably faster than our car. The G8 with the 6-liter in it. Let's see what we got. Check this out. Vega, pro-treated wheel tubs, big block Chevrolet motor. That's crazy. This clean C10 truck. Look at the louver job on the hood. That's pretty nice. Short box. Pretty sure that's the Emilio Chevelle there. Very nice, beautiful body and paint on that. Of course, there's a 428 Cobra Jet Mustang. Some had the shaker hood, this one doesn't. I kind of like it this way better. Let's see what we got in there. Automatic, very nice. How about this? Chevelle Malibu. It's got a cage in it and some really big tires. The tubs in the back. Here's another view of the Chevelle with the big tires on the back. Look at that. How about Richard's GTO convertible? That's pretty nice. So not a big turnout, but this is the first show. We're gonna do 3 shows today. So hopefully we'll have better turnouts at the other shows. Well, what is it? I don't... Austin Moke? Looks like fun. Pretty neat. Even has a spare tire on the back. Look at that. Whoa. I like this Ford right here. Fat tires all the way around. Got kind of the NASCAR vibe to it. Pretty neat. Well, here's the insides of Apehangers Bar and Grill. That's pretty neat. Got a couple pool tables. Got neat stuff. Guess primarily a biker bar, but looks like they had a good breakfast too. We'll have to come back for breakfast. Got shirts and everything. So anyway, that's it.